नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 15 अप्रैल को पार्क प्राइम कोलकाता में रखा गया। मौजूद रहे फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर सतीश लखोटिया के साथ बाकी गेस्ट, विजिटर्स एंड मेंबर। आगे देखते हैं हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा, और वीडियो के अंत में ऐसी खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए चैनल वन को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
Good evening. This is our first meeting of 2024-25, and I'm so happy that all the members in large number they have come here. We had a fantastic meeting today, and many new visitors have also come, and they are also going to join. The main objective, as you all know, is to increase business, to give business, and the more you give, the more you will get. And I'm so happy that today also so many transactions members have done, and so many referrals they have got, and which will be ultimately materialized. मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि इस प्लेटफॉर्म से लोगों को जिस ढंग से बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, और बहुत खुश भी है क्योंकि काफ़ी बढ़ा भी है बिजनेस सबका। थैंक यू।
Welcome to ABC East One Group, Kolkata and India's first group of Alliance Business Connect. Thank you for participating in today's unique business meeting. Before we begin, just a special announcement. Please mute your mobile phone and keep it aside. Remember that we will be combining the extended fortnightly presentation with the referral and testimonial into 130-second members presentation. Yes, first group. My name is Bilbon Mura, and as President, my role is to chair the meeting, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by ABC, which will help us in maximizing our business. Now I would request to, now there are some changes in the schedule. We would like to introduce Ritika Tatia as our treasurer from this month for this training. Please join us. She is a chartered accountant and we expect her to manage our structured finances with joint treasurer Kimi Sada in a very effective way. Please welcome Rajeev Sethi, our vice president. Since I have got an assignment today, I will request Mr. Rajeev Sethi to continue the meeting in my place from now onwards for this meeting only. Thank you.
I am Rajeev Sikri, Vice President of our chapter. I will introduce the support committee till September 2024. We are going to announce the name of the coordinators. We have the following coordinators: chapter mentor Sri Satish Laghotia ji, joint secretary Urvi Raja, joint treasurer Kimi Sarda, business driver Mayur Shah, Anirudh Agarwal and Rahul Yawat. Chapter Growth Coordinator Rakesh Jaiswal, Neeta Das, Gyanvi Data and Atik Mataria. Digital Media Coordinator Pratik Loya. Education Coordinator Rishi Agarwal. KYN Coordinator Rahul Yawat. Now this is the new committee, Discipline Committee, which is I'm there. Rajeev Sikri, Sangeeta Ganeriwal, Sweetie Mantri, Rakesh Jaiswal, Anirudh Agarwal and KD Singh. Brij Mohan Mundra ji, Rahul Yawat and Kimi Sada. Print and Rooster Coordinator Pratik Loya. Attendance Coordinator Kimi Sada. Food and Beverages Coordinator Ms. Sangeeta Gneriwala and Ms. Sweetie Mantri. Feature Presentation Coordinator Meenu Tulsian. Referral Value and Dispute Resolution Coordinator KD Singh. One-to-one Coordinator Atish Makaria and Gaurav Mittal. We have made all categories open from April 2024, but the members who will be enrolled in the category already in one will be in chapter 2 only. Our secretary, Ms. Sweetie Mantri. Over.
Going to give a brief detail about rules each member has to follow in ABC 23-24. Members should give reasons for being absent. One can't have more than 3 absences in a month, and no continuous 2 absent. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open. Subsequently, he or she will be removed from the chapter in case of absence due to some emergency. Members should send the substitute. This word should be strictly followed and should be formals only. Please avoid t-shirts. Head coach should be informed about absence 1 day before unless there is an extreme medical emergency. It will be 4,800 if paid in the first month of the quarter. The fee will be 5,400 if paid in the second month and 6,000 if paid in the last month. In no case, absolute no case, fee will be carried over to the next quarter. A member will be removed from his or her chapter if he or she has not paid the fee in the quarter. The annual registration fee is yearly investment of ₹2,000 for members who have enrolled till September are requested to pay. This is a gentle reminder. Members are requested to pay ₹2,000 as a renewal fee, and those are inducted after September 23 are requested to pay ₹1,000 as a renewal charges. We wish to inform that despite repeated reminders, few members have not paid their quarterly fees of last quarter. They will not be given food coupons and they will not be allowed to give 45 seconds member presentation.
Good evening everyone. Myself Ritika Tadia, Chapter Treasurer cum Member Host. My role is to manage finance of the chapter. I am hereby announcing the different award and recognition scheme for the quarter ending June 2024. 1-to-1 is 5 points, 1 referral is 5 points, visitors is 10 points, 1 business closed 10 points, 1 corporate meeting 50 points, 1 new member induction 50 points, 1 1-to-1 conclave 100 points, 1 KYM 100 points. After every quarter, the leadership team will select 3 members with highest points and will be awarded merit certificate along with the cash rewards or gifts. Merit certificate will also be awarded to members responsible for bringing new members. Further, we will announce the member as on induction of new members. For 6 inductions, silver member. For 10 inductions, gold member. For 15 inductions, diamond member.
Good evening, members.
You should know under which organization ABC is working. ABC is Alliance Business Connect and it is the subsidiary of Alliance Clubs International. So I thought let me at least introduce you what is our main about the culture, about the activities, about the role of Alliance Club International. Alliance Club International was started in the year 2008. This is the 16th year of Alliance Club International, and that is the main body which is mainly for the social and charitable work. Every year there are more than 2,100 units in India, and we have branches in 23 countries. So this is why every city more or less we have our branches, and it is doing very well. We have is 15 members, and there are some units where we have 100, 200 members, 250 members also. So we have big units, small units, but Alliance Club International is spread everywhere. Now main activities in Alliance Club International is social work and charitable work. Every month we meet. It is like a family, close family. Alliance Club is like a family. We meet every day. Some under the fee structure, normally our international dues are only 400 rupees per member and admission is only 100 rupees. But when you join any particular alliance club, then you have to pay as per the club rules. Every club has got different joining fee, different annual fee. On an average, about 500 to 1000 rupees is joining fee, and on average, the annual fee is between 3000 to 6000. But there are some clubs who charge even 15,000 or 18,000 rupees per year, because it depends where they are having the activities, meetings, and all like that. So in Calcutta, we have about 1900 members in Alliance Clubs International. We have about 62 clubs in Calcutta itself. Different, and Alliance Club International, like we have different names. It is Alliance Club of Calcutta, Baliganj, Alliance Club of Zoltek, Alliance Club of Park Street, Alliance Club of Revenue, Alliance Club of Sanskar. It is not by road name. It can be Alliance Club of Sun, Alliance Club of Rose. Like these different clubs have got different name. And every club, the session starts from April till March. They have president, secretary, treasurer, and a board who control that particular club. And the best thing is we do a lot of charitable work. What type of service activities we do, it all depends as and when whatever is required we do. Supposing there is a natural calamity, immediately Alliance Club, overnight we collect materials and we go to the spot. It's not that we issue the check, we make the payment, we just give the financial assistance. It's not like that. Our own members, they go personally, they put the camp, they distribute with their own hands. There has been secretary, treasurer, and like this, there is a district. Everywhere in Calcutta, we have 5 districts. So in every district, there are 14, 15 clubs under one district. Then in the district also, we have governor, vice governor, secretary, treasurer. Then there is a multiple international. There are so many. But I am just introducing Alliance Club individual. My request to all the members, you can also join, you should join. Because the main purpose of ABC was to start an Alliance Business Connect service, Alliance Business Connect, so that our member can have more income. The more you earn, the more you can spend for the charitable work. That is the main idea. The person who has introduced you, join his club. Like my club is Alliance Club of Calcutta, Baliganj. That is the club number 1. Now we have 2,100 something clubs. But my club is club number 1 because I started this organization 16 years ago. But I will request, supposing like Mundalaji is in my same club, Rajesh is in CL, all in the same club. But there are members who are in many other clubs. Indirectly, you are getting business because you get contact. Every month you are meeting the same guys. So you get in your friends list so many new members. So my suggestion is join, and then we have every month on district level, we have one program at least. In say 26 January, 15th August, then Diwali meet, Holi meet, Sawan meet, so many other programs like we have. We have 3 or 4 international trips we organize. In last 16 years, 53 international trips we have organized, and the smallest trip was 35 members, and the biggest international single trip was 527 members. At a time, we went to Bangkok. 527 members at a time in one trip.
Indian Business Unique, ABC East 1 group sets a goal of 100 strong members generating 50 lakhs of business per month. Vision of our ABC East 1 is 50 lakhs per seat per value member and about 100 members by June 2024.
Good evening friends, myself Kibisada from the House of Arya Jewels. As you all are aware of that I am into the imitation jewelry next to Real One, close to Real One, dealing in American diamonds, Kundal, Swarovski, Mosonites, made on silver as well as you can customize on gold also. And wedding seasons are very close by. मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी हर के घर में वेडिंग सीजन में एटलीस्ट एक दो शादी में तो आप जाते ही हैं, और अगर घर का क्लोज बाय का किसी का हो तो यू नीड एटलीस्ट 2 kind of jewelry for 2 occasions like Sangeet and Shadi. So do connect me then I'll look forward for that customer. Thank you. Signing off KD Sarda, one-to-one with ODG, Sanita ji, Pinku ji and Sweetie, and thank you to ODG. Thank you so much.
বন্ধুরা এসে গেছে, সবাই খুব ভালো থেকো। টেলিকম প্রোডাক্টসের জন্য শুধু অম্বল কথাটা মনে রেখো।
And I deal in bed sheets. Transform your sleep heaven with the touch of luxury bed sheets that whisper comfort and style. Dive into the sea of softness as you embrace the night. Elevate your dreams with patterns that dance and colors that sing.
थोड़ी सी हंसी, थोड़ी सी मुस्कान, बस यही है महावास्तु की असली पहचान।
Representing my firm Jay Bolina Textiles.
My name is Kishori Kabra from KK Fashion. I'm a dress designer.
Myself Archana Patodia. I deal with all types of imitation jewelries.
Good evening, friends. Myself Sudha Agarwal, fashion designer of clothes for God, for Almighty God.
आयुर्वेदिक से आए हैं। आयुर्वेदिक घर घर में अभी पहुंचाना चाहते हैं हम। किसी न किसी के कोई भी तकलीफ रहता है, किसी घुटने में दर्द, किसी का आंखों में दर्द, किसी का ऑर्डिनाइटिस एवरीथिंग। तो हमारा आयुर्वेदिक का कहना यही है कि घर घर में आयुर्वेदिक पहुंचे, सबको आयुर्वेदिक मिले और शरीर एकदम फिट रहे।
I am Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary, and your
Kush Agarwal representing my firm Shiny Petals in the category of corporate.
Good evening, ABC members. First of all, I want to thank my dearest Anirudh Agarwal for introducing me. I had already heard high about this ABC, so without attending any meeting as a visitor, I stayed away from it. I'm from BB Enterprises in real estate category.
Pratik Lohia, representing my firm, Ganasam Technologies.
Myself Anirudh Agarwal, representing my firm Excel Devcon Private Limited, where we have all types and varieties of tile, marble, granite and sanitary ware. Our
Good evening, ABC East One.
Good evening.
Myself, Advocate KD Singh, and my company name is the KD and Company. We deal into any type of the legal matter, civil cases, property related and the property registrations.
और दिल को दस्तक देना है तो कांटेक्ट करिए वन एंड ओनली विनीत सत्यम कैटरिंग को। हैप्पी एंड लवली इवनिंग एबीसी फ्रेंड्स। विनीत सत्यम कैटरिंग का प्राइम गोल है सारे गेस्ट का दिल को छूने का अपने लजीज पकवान और प्यार वाला मनवाल के साथ।
Chandan Bhagat, representing Mr. Girish Sarabhiji, Honorable Riku Phalam. We are premium dry food and fruit located next to HHI Hotel. Special offer for ABC member everyone. Buy small quantity of dry food and 20% wholesale discount.
আবার প্রথমে বলি কালকে বাংলার শুভ নববর্ষ গেছে।
मैं सुनील कुमार जैन माल परिवहन का कार्यक्रम करते हैं।
Myself Rahul Bhinawal from Maharashtra.com, helping people to increase their wealth for past 10 years.
Good evening ABC.
Good evening.
देश में 88वीं लोकसभा के आम चुनावी माहौल के बीच एक नेता का चुनावी वादा है। बिजली फ्री, पानी फ्री, मेट्रो फ्री, वाईफाई फ्री। हो जाए आपकी रिस्क फ्री। आज ही अपनाएं LIC जीवन बीमा, पाए समय पर मैच्योरिटी भी टैक्स फ्री। हमारे साथ जीवन बीमा आरंभ कीजिए। जया रुद्र की तरह जीवन भर के साथ के लिए आश्वस्त हो जाएंगे। हर आम आदमी को खास बनाने वाली LIC योजनाएं जीवन लाभ, जीवन आनंद, जीवन रोहन, जीवन लक्ष्य, जीवन तरुण आदि है। निवेश के लिए आज ही कॉल करें। जीवन बीमा अभी बाकी काम फिर सभी आपका दोस्त LIC आदित्य कसरत है।
Myself Yavi, representing IBK Solutions.
Ajay Bhageria, my company name is Maya Battery. We are dealing in battery, inverter and UPS system. Advisor with 38 years of experience in insurance.
একটা নিরিবিলি জায়গায় সুন্দর প্রকৃতির মাঝে ভালো পরিবেশে থাকার স্বপ্ন রাখেন, তাদের স্বপ্নকে পূরণ করাই আমার স্বপ্ন।
Sumit Sabu, representing my company Sabu Realtors, and with my experience of 15 years in real estate business.
Myself Jitendra Kumar Botra from Harmony Global Partner.
मैं अनुराग तिवारी, मेरी कंपनी गणपति डेकोर।
Glad to inform everyone that we have came up with our own manufacturing unit, for our interior business, which will help us to reduce our execution time.
Rajat Roya working as wedding planner for past 9 years with a
Honor of Alam Bazaar dealing with Rajasthani and Gujarati dry snacks. So everyone, wishing you a happy new year.
myself Manish, working as a stock and sale market officer.
I'm Ritika Tatia, practicing chartered accountant, your subsidy and leasing partner.
Good evening, members and guests. I, Rajiv Sikri, Waswell Foundry Consultant for land, plot, shops, residents, bungalows, factories who have given talks on television apart from delivering lectures on my subject. I have been in this field from the last 23 years, having my showroom Function Towers on AJC Bus Road. I do write articles for the Indian largest property portal 99acres.com and also for some reputed magazines and newspaper and advise renowned personalities from Tollywood, fashion world and industry. Thank you.
Everyone,
Good evening.
can we have some energy please? 1 to 10. Kimmi, Urviji, Pinkuji, Sanitadi, Nitadi, Niluji, Ritika, Pratik Roya, Rakesh, Rahulji. Reference 1. So I just punched all my activities. Now I'm introducing myself. Myself Pretty Mantriya, owner of Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. Kitna boring hai na, har baar suna hota hai. And order some curated hampers, specially designed for groom to be and bride to be. I think that would be the best way to make them feel special. Thank you so much.
হ্যাঁ গো শুনছো, বুঝে গিয়ে টাকা চাই না, নিজের বাড়ি চাই। ওই বাবা, এত টাকা কোথা থেকে পাবো? এই দেখো, মাত্র 1 লাখ টাকা দিয়ে নিজের বাড়ি বুক করা যায়, তাই তো লারিকা টাউনশিপে আজকেই বুক করছি। I am Satish Lakotia from Larika Stress Limited, your real estate partner. Thank you.